How do you do if one buyer resends their copy of your ebook to their friends? This is possible, right? That is possible. Number two, you cannot do anything about it. You can reach out to that person, but ito yung sinasabi ko lagi, the focus on offense rather than defense. Because in other words, kung gusto mong magnegosyo, let's say sa ganitong ginagawa natin, but you are worrying too much about piracy, then you're always playing defense. Naalala ko yung kalaban ni Pacquiao dati. I don't know kung sino rin. Napanood ba ninyo yun? Dahil si Pacquiao, malaking pera. Pag kinalaban mo dati si Pacquiao, lalo nung kalakasan niya, di ba? So may kinalaban siya. Walang ginawa all throughout the rounds. Hanggang 12 rounds, saka ganun lang. Halos hindi sumusuntok. Binubulang siya. Kasi gusto niya lang kumita ng pera. Right? Mahirap kung focus tayo sa defense. I'm not saying that do not protect your product, by the way. That's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just saying that you guys more focus on marketing and selling it. Tsaka niya naisipin yung piracy. I guess that's my point. But yun nga, sinasabi ko, like movie industry, Hollywood, it's a billion-dollar industry. They themselves cannot stop piracy.
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.